What's up, everybody? Just wanted to videotape this. I put the ground wire on the new generator. What I'm about to do is put the oil in there. After I put the oil in, I'll get some gas in there, and then we'll give this bad boy a go and get her cranked up for the first time. So let's grab the oil and the oil funnel. We also have the 20 amp and the 15 amp cords. Of course, we can fold these handles down, all that good stuff. The funnel was included. Let me get out of the way. The funnel was included. It takes a 10W30. 30 weight, that's what this is. Four gallons. I'm just going to pour about a gallon in here today just to test it. The new generator had to get the 5-gallon gas can, even though that's only a 4-gallon tank. It'll run 12 hours. I had 2 gallons in this thing. So of course I got these cords, extension cords, to run into the house through the dryer vent or through the bathroom window. You can also hook this directly to the house, but since we're outside and I'm just testing it, I can plug the heater directly up to it. So what did they say? We need to make sure the breaker's off, the choke. Let's see. So let's close the choke. Let's get some gas going in it. Gas is now flowing. Of course, you could start it with the handle. That's good to know. I'll test that out too, but I'm going to start it with a key right now.
Take off my jacket.
Do what? Okay. Here. Alright. Make sure I did everything right. Choke's open. Gas is on. Alright, let's get it. Okay, so as you see, that is pretty loud. So yeah, it's pretty loud, but you know, for a time where you need to run the house and keep warm, which this is blowing out super hot, by the way. Didn't even phase it. Yeah, this is gonna come in handy. Let's try the pull start. Let's try the pull start and see what that does. Let me turn it around some so you can see it. Alright. So it's still warm. I shouldn't have to open the choke. Let's see. I do know we want to turn this. Take that out. Keep that breaker off. Let's see. Alright, let's try it out. So the pull start was pretty easy. It wasn't hard to pull, and you don't have to brace yourself on it. You just pull it a couple times. That was pretty easy. But yeah, I like the key start part of it. Anyway, pretty cool. Guess I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.